Hey folks, have you ever been handed a Swiss Army knife when you needed just a simple tool? That's Google Forms for freelancers, the versatile, multitasking wonder you didn't know you needed. Don't believe me? Well, stick around and I'll prove it. But before we dive in, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. Let's kick things off with a little riddle. What's free, super user-friendly, and safer than a porcupine in a balloon factory? You've got it, Google Forms. Now, I know you might be thinking, but Google Forms, really? Just hang on to your skepticism, folks. Google Forms is your perfect freelancer companion for several tasks. Need to fish for client feedback? There's a form for that. Want to collect data like an overeager squirrel hoards nuts? There's a form for that too. You can even create quizzes and tests to assess your client's knowledge. It's like being a teacher without having to grade papers on the weekend. Plus, Google Forms is fantastic for automating tasks. Imagine having your very own robotic assistant sending email notifications or generating reports. But don't worry, it won't be asking for a pay raise anytime soon. As if that wasn't enough, Google Forms is besties with other Google Workspace tools, like Google Sheets and Google Drive. It's the ultimate trio, making it effortless to collect, analyze, and share data. It's like having your cake, eating it, and not putting on any weight. One of my favorite features of Google Forms is its ability to let you don any question format you like. Multiple choice? Sure. Short answer or paragraph style? No problem. It's like playing dress up with your form. And if you're a control freak, Google Forms has got you covered. You can change the theme, allow file uploads, share it far and wide, view responses in a spreadsheet or chart, and even get email notifications. Basically, it's a lot like being a puppeteer, without the creepy wooden dolls. Now, I want you to picture this. You're a freelance writer who just finished a stellar blog post. How do you gather feedback? Send a carrier pigeon? Nope, just use Google Forms. And to all you web and graphic designers out there, don't fret. Google Forms is equally beneficial for creating quizzes on web design principles or forms for potential client information. So, no matter what kind of freelancer you are, Google Forms has got your back. It's like your personal sidekick, ready to step in whenever you need it. And there you have it, folks. That's why Google Forms is the unsung hero of the freelancing world. If you're not already using it, I double dog dare you to give it a try. You might just find that it's the loyal companion you've been missing. And don't forget, if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, do the hokey pokey, turn yourself around, and hit that like button. Feel free to share your experiences with Google Forms in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay productive and keep freelancing, folks. Goodbye.